How to fix Instagram can't hear video sound problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, if you are unable to hear video sound on Instagram, okay, if you play any kind of video, and then guys, if you are not able to listen the video sound, then guys, how you can fix this issue? In this video I'm going to show you the solution. Okay, how you can fix the problem. So guys, simply you have to watch the video till the end to fix your problem. Okay, and guys, you have to stay tuned with the video, and before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial without wasting any more time. And guys, there have to do some solution. Okay, you have to do some solution for it. Okay, so the solution should be you have to be make sure, okay, your DND mode is not enabled here. Okay, if in your phone the DND mode is enabled, then guys you have to disable it. Okay, so disabled the DND mode, and then guys make sure that your volume is set here. Okay, so your volume should be enabled here. So after enabling the volume, go and check your problem should be fixed. Okay, and guys, if this solution work, then guys it's great. And if you are still having the same problem, then guys restart your device. Okay, and after the restart, go and check once again. In if the restart really works for you, then guys it will be great. And if you have the same problem and still you are having the same problem, then guys go to Play Store, and guys you need to update it. Okay, you need to update your Instagram. So it's time to update your Instagram. Okay, so go to Play Store, search here Instagram, and then guys you have to update it. Okay, so you have to update to the latest version, and after the update you have to go to setting, and after the setting, okay, you scroll it down, and then you have to go to apps, and then go to manage apps and manage app, or you may find install app in your Android device. And then guys you have to search here for your Instagram, and then guys you have to clear the datas and all, and then guys your problem is going to fix. Okay, and guys at the last I will show you one last setting to hear your video sound. Okay, so let's go to Instagram, and then guys you have to clear the data from here. So after clearing all the data, so you have to go to app permission, and after enabling all the permissions from here, you have to restart your device. Okay, so you have to restart the device, and guys make sure that your speaker is in working condition. Okay, sometimes sometimes the problem occurs because of not good speaker. Okay, because of the problem of the speaker, so make sure that your speaker is in good condition. Okay, so you have to check it. So after doing all the solution, now you have to go to Instagram, and then guys you have to play the video. And guys whenever you play the video, okay, there you will get a sound option. I'll show you here if there is any video available. Okay, as you can see here guys, there is one sound option here. Okay, just in the bottom of that video, so you have to enable that sound. Okay, so there is one mute button, then you have to tap, and then you have to disable that mute. Okay, so this is silent mode, and then guys you have to tap here to enable the sound. Okay, so this is the main problem, because many of the people were facing the problem because of that. Okay, so Instagram doesn't allow the sound to pop up just at once. Okay, so you have to give the permission to listen or hear the sound. Okay, so you have to do that setting here first. Okay, so whenever you listen, don't forget to enable that sound option, and then guys your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Instagram video sound problem. Okay, I hope you guys like the video, and guys if this video helps you, then don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching.